All right, if you are a parent, you have undoubtedly had the times where your kids are testing your patience at home, at a store, at a restaurant.
Dabs!
There may be some ways to help get you through it that do not involve alcohol. Court is standing by this morning to learn the do's and don'ts of dining with kids.
You have to forgive my friend John Dabkovich. He sometimes
Speaks the
has
truth.
flashbacks.
He's very expressive.
Yeah.
He is very expressive. We've got Rosalinda Randall, our civility expert, in studio with us this morning. Yes, that is exactly what we're talking about. Going out and dining with the kids. Sometimes it can be a handful, but you've got some fun ways for us to remember what's the best plan of attack. So we're going to do a little true or false.
Yes, right.
Okay. So Ashley's plan, John's plan. Okay, here's your first question. True or false? When you take the kids out to eat, go during peak hours so that they get the full experience.
Oh, come on.
True or
False.
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 What
False.
say you, Rosamund?
Absolutely. The servers aren't fresh. They want to get you in, get you out. There's a lot of noise and distraction. So don't go. Go during, whatever early bird dinners, just to make it a little bit easier for everyone.
Yeah. We've got some kids who have got different types of eating habits. So maybe keep them hungry so that they will eat everything. Is that true or false, John and Ashley?
False.
Unequivocally, they say false.
Yeah.
Is that
It's
true?
absolutely false. But also be sure to feed them, because the first thing they're going to do is eat the free bread, fill up on that with
that's
their
true.
special sweet drink that maybe you allowed them to have. So by the time dinner comes and you're ready to eat, they're done.
Yeah.
So always give them a little snack in
A little
advance.
snack. Now, you also, there's another one. Make sure that the devices are fully charged to get you through dinner. Is that true or false?
It depends.
I am not typically a fan of the device babysitter, but when you're out to dinner, sometimes you got to do what you got to do.
Yeah, if
So
you're
I
trying
say
to keep
yes.
them busy, then fine, true.
I kind of agree with him, so I'm going to say true.
True and false, it's reality in today's world.
Okay.
I mean, 20 years ago, I would have said no.
Right.
But also, is it something that you can share to get into, and maybe let's see how you do, and you earn it towards the end of the meal. So there's a little play there.
Little bargaining.
And tell them in advance. If you are going to say this is a tech-free dinner, tell them in advance.
Okay, so that they know what to expect.
Yes.
Yes.
Or not expect.
Dining out is the perfect time to correct them and pressure them into behaving. True or false?
False.
False. We will pack up and leave if you don't behave.
Right?
That's an option. However, it is somewhat true and false. It depends on how you present the situation to them. But if you're expecting them, when you've not done any of this homework at home, how to use the fork and the napkin and everything, and now you're pressuring,
You expect
throw
them.
them in
I
there.
see.
Yeah.
We wouldn't do
That's
it. We
not
wouldn't be able
realistic,
to-
right?
No, it's
yeah.
not.
Yeah. Okay, how about this one? Pointing out every imperfection is the purpose of dining out.
Oh, no.
False.
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 And true. The reason you're going out is so that they experience these things, and it is a learning situation. Have a treat afterwards, like, oh, we got through that. But the purpose of dining is that so they do get comfortable with the napkin placement, looking at the server when you order, pacing yourself, and having a conversation.
So you should point their mistakes out, but not
quietly and nicely.
Yes, that's the key.
Yes.
Okay, focus the conversation on grades and why they missed the goal or whatever they're currently struggling with. When you're, dining around the table, that's the conversation. True or false that you should focus on that?
False.
True and false?
Yeah, I mean, you can talk about school, but
Yeah.
I agree. True and false. If you're going out to dinner, I would avoid any of those unpleasant topics, bringing anything up.
Yeah.
If it's at home, perhaps that can be a conversation, but all it's going to do is bring it down. If you're pointing, what could you have done with the goal? There are so many other things to talk about. So go prepared with a few topics. As the parent, you're there to teach them, to guide them, and to teach them how to do small talk and pleasantries at the dining table in general.
The last one, we'll end with this one, is pick an upscale restaurant so at least you can enjoy your favorite dish. True or false?
I say false. Save the upscale restaurant for when you have a babysitter.
date night. Agreed.
Yeah.
See, now I'm going to say every once in a purple moon, it's okay to take the kiddo to an upscale restaurant so that they can see what
I
it's
just
like.
don't want to go with them.
They serve alcohol.
Yeah, but listen, you can get chicken
Sweeten the
nuggets at
deal.
home.
Yes and no. Again, will there be a dish that they can order that is edible, that they will like? You don't want to force them to eat something you like.
Yeah.
Go, why aren't you eating it? And it costs you $57 for an
Right.
uneaten dish.
Yeah.
So I would pick off hours and go to a restaurant that has a table and chair and cloth napkins. Start there with the basics
Yeah.
during lunch instead of a dinner.
And go off hours. I
Yeah,
like that
and
idea.
just pick on, and I mean politely, if you're struggling with 5 things that they're doing at the table that you want them to improve on, if they did 2 out of the 5 correctly, praise them for it and go, wow, you really got that. And
Yeah.
just go with it. It takes time to absorb those new habits.
Moms and dads, it took us time to get there. It's going to take the kids
Yes,
time
it
as
takes
well.
a little time.
All right, a little patience. And she's also the author of Don't Burp in the Boardroom. All the details for Rosalinda Randall on our website, gooddaysacramento.com, under show info and today's date, darling. We'll see you on the other side of this well-behaved
No
break.
pinkies.